Hi guys, welcome back. Fluidity of life. Tonight for our dinner, we're gonna make. I don't know the name of the dish, but I saw it on one of my YouTube friends, and I like it. Looks like it's appetizing, but she made her own. This recipe is only using 3 ingredients, but she made her own roti or tortilla, and she used regular potato and quite a bit of spices, but mine is the simple one. Instead of making my own tortilla or roti, I just use a store-bought tortilla. And instead of regular potato, I boiled the sweet potato and mash it with a fork and shredded cheese. I'm using Italian style with mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, Chiago, and these are like a mixture of different cheeses. So let's start cooking, guys. A little bit of butter. Some of your mashed potato. And your cheese. You can put as much cheese as you want. Oh, hot. Careful guys, it's hot. I think I put a lot of peeling. Yeah, I put butter. I don't even season it because the cheese is already salty. Brush a little bit of butter for more deliciousness. Cheese melting. The director said add more butter and then slow the heat. good. Tortillas already cooked. The mashed potatoes already cooked. Cheese already melted. Cheese. And fold. And a little bit of water. This is done, guys. Another one. Okay, guys. That's a very simple. You can use that as for your main meal or just a snack, quick snack. So easy. You can just use you can make your own tortilla if you want, but to make life easier, store-bought is just fine. Okay, let's have dinner, guys. See? There's my tuna salad and my sweet potato quesadilla, I guess. My version. And pork carnitas Glenn's version. We're gonna see how they taste. I'll try with the sweet potato quesadilla. What do you think? It's really good, like snack, you know.
Yeah, good.
Now we're gonna try our tuna salad with avocado, ripe mango, and cucumber, and cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. So you can use any kind of tomato. Refreshing.
Wonderful.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing if you already subscribed, and if not, please do. Please feel free.
Up on the screen. See you in the next vlog, guys.
Good night.
Night.
Gawin
Night.
to your blind.